this pop-up workshop that is supposedly supposed to be streaming live, but it's not going, but at least it's going to be recorded anyway. But I want to say, are you tired of surface level communication, longing for a deeper, more meaningful connection? And this is where a lot of the times permission to live stream this. Let me share this page then. Page.
Well, I don't know if we want to live stream right now though.
I will do it live. This is. Oh wait, it's not. It's not gonna let
Yeah.
me do it right now. Weird. But that's gonna re-record. We're gonna do this. And I want to say this is why Doc made this breaking silence, um, overcoming emotional suppression in men. And I want to say, Doc, can you see the screen right now?
Yes, I
Okay,
can.
perfect. Now I want to say, do you want to have control of it so that you can go on the full breakdown, whether we're going to take an hour, we're going to take 45 minutes. It wouldn't, Facebook is being finicky right now, but we'll get the recorded replay. I'll chop it all up. I just want to say, like, this is what me and Doc do for men that's going to be having this type of problems. And if you want full control of it, Doc, or you want me to do the presentation on my end.
If I can control it. I don't know how to
Okay.
control it.
So you
I have the
do
screen
have,
share.
yep.
Okay.
So you do have full capacity at it. I'm
Hmm.
gonna stop the share on my end, right?
Hmm.
And then this way you can have full host tools going to your end, and then
Okay.
you can do it. Because I have the exact same thing on my screen, so I can chime in when I can, when I
Hmm.
want to. You tell me when you want to do this. This has been a lot of things that Doc has been doing on the side. I've been doing a lot of things on the side, and this is one of the main topics is overcoming an emotional suppression in men is really key. It's so cool because the Boundaries and Brotherhood YouTube page is bringing subscribers and we haven't been promoting anything yet. I just been pumping out all this material. All righty, Doc. Okay, cool.
I literally, like I said, I literally just created it and then
Hey, you're
sent it off.
becoming on the man on the fly
you
now.
know. So yeah, it's good to be here. Yeah, we're trying to break the silence. That's the name of the presentation, this little workshop, the mini workshop, because the fact of the matter is we as men have been taught to be silent, and we are suffering in silence, and we need to break all these stereotypes of what it means to be a man and how you can't cry and how you can't all that stuff, all those negative stereotypes that keep us stuck, that keep us questioning ourselves, that keep us thinking that we're not good enough. We're here to break all those chains so that we can be fully ourselves, fully authentic, be the men that we were created to be, and actually have a full life of love and happiness and joy and peace, and be able to express ourselves and get what we want out of our relationships, out of our businesses, connect with
Mm.
people. It's so much more than just saying a feeling word.
Watch the full video at Boundaries and Brotherhood.